to retain the team, keep playing together, and hopefully next time na magkita, mas maganda pa rin yung pakita. Yun nga po, I think individually, marami pa kami kailangan i-improve as a team. So, si Coach naman has told us many times to be patient with ourselves and with the team. With Vietnam naman and more experienced teams, ganito rin naman yung pinagalingan nila. It's just, they really stuck together all throughout this year. So, yun din yung kailangan namin gawin.
Gian, your message sa buong sumusuporta sa atin.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin sa Las Pilipinas. Here around the world, lahat ng pumunta today. You went from different countries, right here from the provinces. So, nakakataba talaga ng puso na nandito kayo lahat ng laban namin, lahat ng pinaghihirapan namin sa team para sa inyo talaga. So, hopefully makita tayo next time. Sa CP League naman, ganun din naman po, makakalaban natin yung mga teams na makakalaban natin sa SEA Games. It's the same. After today's game, we go back to the drawing board, we go back to training, improve what we can from this game, individually and as a team. So, ganun din naman talaga ang volleyball.
Yeah, when we talk about yun nga, we're talking about continuity. Gano'ng importante na yun na nasisimulan yun yung gano'ng continuity in terms of the program of the Las Pilipinas. How do
Because now we're going against teams na tumanda sa loob ng national team. Tayo yun din naman yung goal natin. Tumanda kami ng magkakasama sa loob ng national team. That's how you build longevity, that's how you build chemistry, that's how you build a strong team in the long run. You can't expect na isang talo, isang adversity, palit ka agad. Keep the same people, add new people, reinforce the biggest message.
Kaya nga lang lagi na sinasabi ko, wala namang talo. Talaga, wala, o hindi ka uuwi ng talo ka. Kasi you learn something, you always learn something. And especially now, kasi Vietnam yung nakalaban namin. So, para feeling namin, we know where we're at and kung ano pang kailangan namin i-improve as a team. So, diba, biggest improvement pa yun sa team namin and malaking tulong yan sa amin.
Angel, ano lang feeling na makalaro si Bella na dati lang nakakalaban sa UAP?
Actually, natutuwa ako kasi sabi ko nga sa kanila na mas pipiliin ko maging teammate si Ate Bella kaysa kalaban. So, sa tagal ko din kong gustong maka-teammate ulit si Ate Bella, I'm very happy na naging teammate ko siya right now.
Si Bilig naman yung next yung ilulook forward mo nun?
Yun, CV League, pag-aandaan pa ng team. And syempre, we look forward namin to give our best always to put our A effort sa game kasi syempre, another opportunity for us to learn, another opportunity for us to showcase our talent. So yun.
Before the match, we really a little stressful because playing in Philippines. You guys have audience very enthusiastic. I very love it. So we have to try to relax, focus, and enjoy the game.
You weren't able to play in the ABC Challenge Cup. How does it feel to get back on the court?
Really, I feel a little nervous when I get back because I don't take my 100%. So I just try my best to have what I can to for the team.
What can you say about the performance of the Philippines?
Sorry, what?
What can you say about the performance of the Philippines in today's game?
Philippines performance very well because they have good connection and